Alright traders, I figured I would give you an update. Unfortunately, this didn't happen till the end of the day. I've had to kind of work it. I had my OCO order working throughout the day, but CHX actually worked out beautifully in a descending triangle pattern. We got in a little early, 30-45 average. Unfortunately, we could have got it closer to the top. I find the stocks that are bought the day before, overbought the day before, and I like to short them the following day, the ones that are light in volume after hours pre-market. Usually the traders that were in it the prior day fade it. They take profits. Well, we actually ended up having some buyers today, but we formed this descending triangle pattern. Beautiful. You should wait for it to set up. Unfortunately, I didn't. I got in a little early. Could have hit it again, or could have sat on your hands and waited for this to start forming this pattern. And you see the lower highs start to form against a bottom support line being around 31.30. The previous close line is this yellow line, 31.20, which it should remain heavy under now. And the stock sells off. It's weak. It's fading. It just kind of sells and fades. There's no buyers on it. The only buyers are the shorts that are covering their positions like myself. It's important to locate these setups. Maybe this is your edge. Descending triangles, ascending triangles, head and shoulders. What makes this hand even sweeter to trade is not only is it my edge, the hangover, but also the daily chart is popping right up to the 200-day moving average, which I noticed, $32 resistance area, looking left of the chart as well, overbought on the RSI being a 72. There's many variables lining up that make this hand even more probable of working out. Now, you never want to marry a ticker because sometimes they don't work out. The market can be irrational longer than we can be solvent, and that's why we set an OCO order on it just in case it doesn't work out. And you know what's funny? My OCO order, my stop was at $32. I was 2 cents from getting stopped out. And now we're about to hit Q on the day. Since it's been fading all day, I'd like a flush under 31 and then profit take all of it. We'll see if we get that. Right now, it's not sitting bad with CHX. Would like that sell-off under 31. We'll see if it happens. Again, traders, we're trying to find 3 or 4 of these a day, so it just kind of pads the wallet. When we just hit one, we're not going to make a ton of money, but if we hit a few of them, we stopped out on one at break even for a loss of $1.20. So if our risk reward is correct and we hit a couple of these a day, it is going to grow this account rather well. What I'm looking for is a fast move, a liquidity sweep under the whole dollar, as market makers kind of push it towards that whole dollar. When you get this close to the whole dollar, typically a stock is going to take out orders because stop orders are normally placed at and around the whole dollar. That's all I'm looking for here, this thing to kind of pull down towards 31, take out some orders. I'll send my order out along with all the stops I get hit. This is a small account we're trying to get some cushion on before we start sizing up. And once we get some cushion, I am going to start locating some shares to short as well with tickers that are hard to borrow. Those are usually under $5. We don't really have trouble having shares to short with tickers that are above $10. I've been very, very patient on this. Fortunately, patient spelt with a P-A-Y, because patience does pay. Trading in hindsight would have liked to have hit it closer to 32, take half off, and then leave leftovers right now to be working for me. Now, as some of you know, I have a hotkey that gets me in 20% of the buying power. So on a $30 stock, it got me in about 41 shares when I clicked short sell. Then I have 2 hotkeys, one that liquidates 50% of the position and another one that does 100% of the position. I plan on clicking Shift F. Those are my 2 keystrokes to get out 100% of the position on a 31 flush. I'm taking it all, covering 41 shares, 3106 is the cover price. So 7.75 Q on the day. Maybe it keeps fading, maybe it doesn't. It's just slowing down, going sideways. I imagine some shorts are going to cover as the market is winding down, getting closer to the close. Really nice descending triangle pattern. As the volume faded, so did the stock, and we ended up hitting 0.75 Q out of it. So traders, let me know how you did today. Thanks for watching this video. We will see you guys tomorrow.